Hi everyone! Today we're going to make a savory breakfast polenta. Now oftentimes you've seen me make polenta on this channel and I make it sweet, where I'll put fruit in it and maybe some nuts and drizzle on some honey or maybe some maple syrup. But today we're going to make a savory version where we're going to put some eggs on it, some salt and pepper, a little cheese. I think I have some mushrooms, so let's get started. Cooks in 3 minutes. The instructions on the polenta say to boil 2 cups of water to 1 cup of polenta, so I have a cup of water on to boil. Because we're making this a savory polenta, I'm looking for savory things to put in it. So I cut up some mushrooms here that I'm cooking separately, and we're going to make a couple of eggs that we're going to put on top, but first we're going to make the polenta and maybe add a little cheese to it. The water is boiling, so it's time to add the polenta. You take it off the heat and you leave it for 3 minutes. So I'm just going to give this a little quick stir. You see already it's becoming something. Oops, I'm being a little messy. We're going to let that go for 3 minutes. I'm going to toss a little of this pizza cheese blend into the polenta so that we have cheesy polenta, sort of like cheesy grits. And we're just going to stir that in. Now we're folding in the mushrooms. Now I'm going to cook the eggs. I broke one of the yolks, as I always do, but we'll manage. I hope you enjoyed that breakfast recipe. Let me know if you try it for yourself. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Happy eating. Bye!